Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. If you haven't been on our channel before, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below. Check out all our latest videos. So what we've upgraded on this particular vehicle is it's a BMW 7 Series, and what we've upgraded is with a new dash camera solution. This isn't just a normal dash camera solution, it's the highest and best possible thing that's available on the market currently. It's what's called a Blackvue DR900S 2-channel system alongside a B124 battery. In essence, basically it's the highest resolution that you can get on a camera system. So in terms of the actual dash camera in the front, it's a 4K image quality. It's an absolutely stunning bit of kit, as well as being installed to the highest possible standards from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. So if you are based further afield, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all our links below, but get in contact with us and we'll go through exactly how we can arrange the installation to make life easier for you and have the best installers carry out the installation on your particular vehicle and your pride and joy. All of our work gets carried out from our fabulous workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So we're going to do a full tour of that as well, so feel free to check out that video too. But in terms of the front and rear dash camera, everything's hidden away behind factory panels. You can't see anything except from the front camera and then also the rear camera. If you own one of these vehicles, you'll notice that you've got a blind on the rear. On this particular vehicle, as well as on the S-Class, as well as other vehicles that have a blind on the rear, generally we can install them in a manner that it won't affect that at all. So you've got no loss of functionality from anything of your vehicle, so it's all installed to the highest possible standards and always to the best installed practices as well. In terms of this system as well, one of the really key things, and really cool features, is it protects your vehicle while your vehicle is parked. So using the B124 battery, which charges up while you drive your vehicle, what happens then when you turn off your vehicle, the dash camera will record off that system. It gives you a little bit more protection if you're parking up in a hotel car park or supermarket, just in case you get a dink or anything like that on your door or on the vehicle. It really does protect your asset. So it's just a bit of an overview to show you exactly what it looks like on this particular vehicle. If you own a different vehicle, feel free to get in touch with us. We may have a video already posted up of that, but if you press the subscribe button, you'll keep up to date with all our latest videos, dash camera installations, as well as all the other installations that we carry out here in Cambridge. So thank you once again for watching our very short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.